So now let's take a look at the customer booking process for a snow equipment renting order. As you can see, this is a page that the customer will see. RentTrax automatically sets a start date and the start time to the current date and the current time. So let's say I want to borrow some ski equipment today and I want to go on a little ski trip by myself and I want to come back a week later. So we can select date, we can select the time. Let's say I just want to return at the same time as I rented it. So now let's take a look at the rent items. Since I'm an adult, I'm gonna go to adult ski. So in these fields, the store owner is going to upload his own images of the item and the specific descriptions of the item. Since this is just a demonstration, there are no pictures or descriptions, but this field will be filled up with the specific details of the item that the customer is going to rent. Let's just say I just want to borrow a Elan Explorer 82. Let's click on the add button. We got a quantity, one, unit price, all good. Let's keep going down. Let's say we need some skiing boots. Let's add one of those. Adult performance ski boots. Let's add one too. Let's say that's all the items I want to rent. As you can see, the subtotal is here. RentTrax automatically calculates the tax rate, but since it's just demonstration, we left it blank here. But with the tax rate applies to whichever tax rate that applies to the country or the state, it will show up there. But for now, it's just left as 0. But when the account goes live, the tax rate will be automatically taken into consideration. So let's click on checkout. So on this page, this is where the customer fills in the information. Customer will fill in the email address. That's how he or she is going to receive an email confirmation of the booking. Let's go ahead and type in customer@test.com. Phone number. As you can see, all the rest of the areas gets filled in automatically because since if the customer already had a booking before with the store, the RainTracks automatically stores the customer's information, so the customer does not have to go through the same process another time. So now let's come here and sign the waiver. Let's click on read and sign. Let's sign here, accept. Now the waiver is signed. Let's go to the payment portion. So let's fill in the name, card information, just like online shopping. Now all the payment information is entered. As you can see, the subtotal, taxes, and grand total is shown here again, so the customer can double check the price before he confirmed the payment. So now let's go ahead and pay the full amount. As you can see now, this is the backend page that the store owner is going to see. As you can see, there is a order created. Now it's an open order. Let's click into the order number. So this is the page that's available to the store owner and the staff. As you can see on the top left corner, there are the renting period, the order number, customer information is in the middle. When we go down, we can see the order's details, the skis and the boots. The prices are here. The grand total is also shown there. So now let's go back to the orders. So now the customer walks into the store. The store owner delivers the item. There's a little button here. It says deliver. Let's click on that. So now there's a summary of the order one more time. Let's click on deliver. So now the order is delivered, as we can see. After we click on the delivered button, we can see the delivered order. So now let's say a week passes by, the customer returns with the skis and the boots. So now the store owner clicks on return. We can check the return boxes. These are the items that was being borrowed or rented. So now let's check these boxes. And then let's click on return. Now let's go back to the orders. If we click on return, the order will be shown as returned.